understanding the phrase, snore like a bear. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the colorful world of English idioms and phrases. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, snore like a bear. Whether you're an English learner aiming to polish your conversational skills or just curious about quirky English expressions, this video is for you. The phrase, snore like a bear, is a vivid expression used to describe someone who snores very loudly while sleeping. It paints a picture of a bear in hibernation, emitting deep and thunderous snores. The key point here is the volume and intensity of the snoring, which is compared to the loud and powerful sounds one might imagine a bear would make. Why compare to a bear, you might ask? Bears are large creatures, and their size is often associated with strength and power. When they hibernate, it's easy to imagine them as peaceful yet imposing figures, capable of producing deep, resonant sounds. The phrase, snore like a bear, leverages this imagery to humorously exaggerate how loud someone can snore. You might use snore like a bear in informal settings when you want to add a touch of humor or vivid imagery to your description. For instance, after a sleepover, you might say to your friend, "You snored like a bear last night." It's a light-hearted way to address the snoring without being offensive or overly critical. It's worth noting that while the phrase is playful and commonly understood, it's best used in casual, familiar contexts. In more formal settings or with people you don't know well, it's better to choose your words carefully, as humor and idioms can sometimes be misunderstood. And there you have it. The phrase, snore like a bear, is a colorful way to describe loud snoring, painting a vivid picture with words. It's a testament to the richness and creativity of the English language. We hope this video has been informative and entertaining. Keep exploring and enjoying the nuances of English, and you'll soon be conversing with the flair of a native speaker.